Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning A, B, C, D, E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our colors. This is our color. A, B, C, D, E, one, two, three, four, five, F, G, H, I, J, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.